Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, first of all, I need to know what kind of petition it was. You can be a U.S. citizen, but you might be petitioning your son who's over 21, in which case that would be a first preference petition, and depending where you're from, it would take years for it to become current, and it won't be sent to the NVC until it's 6 months from being current. Or conversely, you could, petition your married daughter, and that puts it under third preference, and that'll be even more years. So that might be one reason. Next, I need to know how long you've waited. Have you waited a month? Have you waited 2 weeks? Things are backlogged. It takes a while. And while I understand you want things to get going right away, there's, 300,000 cases in front of you, that, are going first. Now, let's say that you're talking about a marriage petition and you're a U.S. citizen and you have decided to petition your husband in a different country. That's fine if you're talking about the I-130 being approved. It will take a few months for that to get to the NVC, but unfortunately, a lot of people think that the approval of the I-130 translates to the approval of the green card, and that's not the case. Let's say, for example, that your husband has a drug crime, or a theft crime, or assault crime. Let's say he committed fraud. Let's say he overstayed in the U.S. and left. Let's say he's admissible on any number of grounds. The I-130 is not going to help. He first will need to see if a waiver is available and then do the waiver. Let's say he's been deported. He'll need to do a permission to re-enter. There's all kinds of things that would need to be done. Let's say that you have a crime in the past, a sex-related crime with a minor. That means that regardless of what has occurred so far, you're going to need a Walsh waiver. So there's lots of different variables as to why it might not yet be at the NVC, and I would need more information to be more clear on where it stands at the present time. Okay.